Hey, what is up guys? It's Brennan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best personal loans for bad credit. So if your credit score is maybe below 600 or even 580, or maybe even if you're in that fair credit range, if you have lower or poor credit, we're going to be taking a look at some of the best lenders for you to use in order to get a personal loan, even if you have bad credit. So that's what we're going to be diving into here in today's video. And of course, if you do want to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video, you can check out those links linked down below in the video description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into things. Now, first, we're going to take a look here at this comparison page done in partnership with Money.com, where we rank the list of the best loans and personal loans for bad credit. What are the best companies? That's what we rank here on this top bad credit loans page. If you would like to get access to this page or follow along in the video, you can go check out that first link down below in the video description. Again, that's that first link down below in the video description. It'll take you right over to this page here, where again, you can compare the top bad credit loans, and this page will be updated no matter when you're watching this video. So without ado, let's go ahead and again dive into the best personal loan options for those of you who have weak credit. So of course, first things first, it's no surprise that getting credit can be difficult if you have a lower credit score, in which we've put together some of the best companies that serve people that have lower credit. And our number one choice in this list here today is Smart Advances. Now, they offer personal loans from $100 to $20,000, and funds can be deposited into your account in one business day. They have no hidden fees, and APR, again, that varies by lender that they offer, as well as a loan term that does vary by the lender. That's why it's good to get multiple quotes and options, and to actually see what you qualify for from different lenders, just so you get a good idea of what types of offers you're able to get and what you're able to qualify for from different lenders. It's important to shop around, which is why we're going to be covering multiple companies in this list. It's important to shop around when it comes to finding loans, especially for people with bad credit, because every lender really does vary and depends on how much you're borrowing, as well as far as what your terms and credit rating might be, as well as what types of rates and actual terms that you're going to get on your loan. Now, taking a look here at Smart Advances site, as you can see here, you can easily select whether you want to borrow from $100 all the way up to $20,000 on the top end of this range here on this site, as far as how much you would like to borrow. And you can get your loan in just 3 easy steps. As you can see here, they have an easy loan request with a short, secure online form to request and submit. And they have a fast loan request process. You get notified in as little as 2 minutes, and then you can receive your funds and money deposited into your account as soon as 1 business day after loan closing. So again, you can go ahead and check out this link down below at the top of the video description if you want to check out Smart Advances. Now, moving along, at number 2 in this list here today, we have is First Premier Lending. Now, they are an online marketplace for personal loan shopping. They also offer loans from $100 to $20,000, and they've been serving the community since 2009. Now, they offer terms from 2 months to 72 months and funding in about a day after loan approval. And they consider applicants with lower credit scores, hence why they make it on this list. And of course, the APR does vary. If we take a look here at their site, as you can see here, short-term loans to fit your needs, $100 to $20,000. They offer flexible payments. You can get your funds fast, and they offer all credit types, and they are safe and secure. So you can easily select from 100 to 500, up to 5,000 to 7,500, or 15,000 to 20,000. And they have the same kind of easy loan request process when it comes to First Premier Lending. As you can see here, their motto is easy loans the first time. Now, one thing to keep in mind with any kind of personal loan provider that you decide to go with or apply for is that the rates and fees do vary depending on person to person. And it's important to be responsible when you're taking out any kind of personal loan, and in order to pay things back responsibly and on time, and make sure that you are responsible when it comes to taking out any kind of loan to cover any sort of financial shortfall in that period of time, right? So be responsible. Moving along, at number 3 in this list here we have today is Bad Credit Loans, and they offer marketplace for all types of loans. You can get $500 to $10,000 in 1 business day, and rates fluctuate from 5.99% to 35.99%. Now, rates really do fluctuate and vary depending on the day that you're even watching this video, so do keep that in mind. They also offer loan terms between 3 and 36 months, and they compare loan offers without obligation to accept them, and there's no no collateral needed. That's important there, especially when you're considering certain types of loans, especially in the bad to weak or poor credit range. You need to consider that, no collateral is needed for this type of loan, and that's a really important factor there. Now, if we take a look at their site for bad credit loans, as you can see here, you can easily type in the loan amount that you want, and you can see if you qualify for a loan between $500 and $10,000 at this easy link here. As far as how much you'd like to borrow, you go ahead and type in the amount, and you can get started with their process via their online form. Now, it's nice with these online lenders because it does make a pretty easy process in terms of getting through the actual loan process. It's very easy with these online forms. Again, one thing to stress here with bad credit loans, their site and brand Bad Credit Loans, is that their service is 100% free in terms of the actual service that they show you for different types of credit related products. And you can also access their extended lender network. They have a private, secure, of course, 24/7 service and an easy online steps for their simple online form. Again, as we mentioned here today, that is, again, Bad Credit Loans. Moving along, next in this list at number 4 we have is Credible. Now, I've actually mentioned Credible many times on the channel, as they do show up in a lot of our lists for different types of loans, whether that be not just personal loans, but also student loans and other types of business loans even as well. So they allow you to get personalized, pre-qualified rates from multiple lenders. And when I say multiple lenders, it really is a lot of different types of lenders and companies. So they offer a 2-minute online application process with loans from $600,000 all the way up to $200,000. So if you need a little bit more than the $10,000 or $20,000 range, maybe looking at Credible might be a better option for you if you need more money, although it does depend on the types of loan terms that you may qualify for, but they can offer a bit more money on some of their lenders, right? They have rates from 6.49% APR up to 35.99% APR, and they have loan terms of 1 to 7 years, and they are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau. If you take a look at Credible's site, you can quickly check your personalized rates. And again, checking rates won't affect your credit score, so that's a really nice benefit there. And you can compare rates from the 19 top lenders, and you can enter your loan amount and click Find My Rate to see what type of rate and loan that you qualify for. If we just take a look here at their site in terms of their online form, so you can check your pre-qualified rates and choose a loan to get funded. You can check your rates today, but if we just take a look at some of the companies that they have in here, right? They have companies like Lightstream, Upstart, Best Egg, Lending Club, Splash, Lending Point, Upgrade, even Citi, SoFi, Prosper, so Avant, a lot of the top companies, OneMain Financial as well. So they offer a variety of different types of rates, loan terms, and how much you may qualify for from a company like Credible. Again, you can quickly go ahead here, enter your loan amount, and see what rate that you qualify for through Credible. I do like it because it is a lending platform and more of a marketplace for a variety of different types of things, not just personal loans, which we're touching here in today's video, but also things like student loans, insurance, auto, lots of types of different loans, especially the personal loans in terms of the bad credit loans we're focusing here on today's video, but also other types of consolidation loans, as well as student loans that they also offer through Credible. Now, moving along, next in this list we have is AM1. Last but not least here is AM1. Now, they offer loan amounts from $2,000 to $50,000. So if you do need, more money, then this could be a good option for you with AM1. They have APRs ranging from 4.6% up to 35.99% with loan terms of 12 to 84 months. You can explore all your options at once to find the best offers for you, similarly to Credible in that regard. And you can get your funds in as little as 1 day from approval, and they have loan consultants available to help you understand your options. If we take a look here at AM1's website, as you can see here, debt consolidation loans made easy, right? If you're interested in debt consolidation, or if you just need any kind of personal loan, right? They offer all different types of personal loans, and you can see what you qualify for in terms of the types of loans, right? You can either enter an amount anywhere between $2,000 to $100,000, or even select a common loan amount such as $2,500, $5,000, $20,000, or however much you need, and this won't affect your credit score, which is pretty essential here in the overall process, right? To actually shop around, you don't want to be affecting your credit score. So it's important that these companies don't affect affect your credit score when you're just shopping around, which is a really nice feature when you're trying to shop around and ultimately find the best rate and the best terms for the personal loan that you're looking for. So you can click and find your offers today from AM1. And they, as you can see here, this is, again, depends on when you're watching this video, but they have rates starting from just 6.4%. Again, depends on when you're watching this video. These rates are always fluctuating, always changing. But you can go ahead and find your offers here today from AM1. Again, these are the list of the best loans for bad credit, right? So from some of the best companies and best lenders to find personal loans. If you have a credit score, maybe in that 580, 600, 650, if you're just kind of in that fair or like lower range, maybe if you're even below 580, things like that. So that's if you're in that kind of low mid-range sort of weaker credit score. If you're not quite in the 700s yet, this is maybe a good place to go to look for different types of loans. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Again, if you do want to check out this page, it will be linked at the top of the video description. You can check out the list of the top bad credit loans. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway guys, that's all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.